Hi guys, so in the past I've done many things to my lips and you know, not all of them have been the most safe options to do. Like I feel like I really wanted my lips to be a lot fuller. I wouldn't smile in any photos. I was very serious faced just because I felt as soon as I smiled my lips were like vanished, they'd gone. My lips were naturally quite big anyway, but I just felt like they were very flat. So I wanted something a lot more plump, and what I've used today has instantly done that. So guys, this is the product that I've been using. You feel the results instantaneously. Like honestly, as soon as I put this on I felt it, and it's lasted for so long. I've had cups of tea, I've ate, and already I still feel like it's working. So I actually like that you can change the dial on this. So my preference is number 4 because then I get the tingle sensation as well as the peptide. Obviously if you want a big voluptuous pout, this is the best thing for it. I really do like it because I can feel that it's actually working. Most products, they say that they're doing all of these things and you can somewhat see it, but you want to feel it. You want to know that it's actually working. And it's also clinically proven they're bigger. Now I feel like I can smile as much as I want to and I've still got that plump lip.